Hi everyone, introducing an interesting innovation competition. It's known as Autonomous Eradication Technologies for Guam's invasive brown tree snakes. So there's something known as Guam's brown tree snakes, which is a very invasive species, and they are looking for innovations that can eradicate this. So for this, they are conducting an innovation competition with rewards up to $550,000 in cash prizes. So the submissions for this innovation competition will be likely closing August 10th. So that's what they have mentioned. Please be prepared. Once open, the window for submission will be short, likely closing by 10th August. So there are 9 of 11 native forest bird species have been driven to extinction on Guam. So before that, I will just tell you what is this brown tree snake. So it's a non-native to Guam. So Guam is a location. So it is arrived as a post-World War II stowaway, almost certainly in military or commercial cargo from the New Guinea region, and was first observed on the island in the early 1950s. So within 2 decades, it had spread island-wide, exploiting an absence of natural predators and abundance of prey. So the consequences have been catastrophic and largely irreversible. So 9 out of 11 native forest bird species have been driven to extinction on Guam, among the worst avian losses attributable to a single invasive species anywhere in the world. So the native lizard populations have collapsed, and bat and broader vertebrate communities have been severely disrupted. Their ecosystem functions have been fundamentally degraded. So more than 1,600 snake caused electrical outages were recorded in a single 20-year period beginning in 1978. So power disruptions continue island-wide to this day, costing an estimated 4 to 4.5 million USD per year in infrastructure damage, business losses, and productivity. So brown tree snakes pose ongoing public health risks, including medically significant bites and frequent household intrusion. So despite 70 years of effort by various government authorities, no scalable integrated solution exists. Trapping detector dogs or port identification each address parts of the problem but remain labor intensive, fragmented, and insufficient at island-wide scale. So the total annual burden when prevention programs, military readiness, and ecological irreversibility are factored in far exceeds the documented power outage cost alone. Without new technology, island-wide eradication, it is widely considered nearly impossible. So this challenge exists to close the gap between available technology and deployable solutions for this challenge. So you can go ahead and participate in this innovation competition. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and for such interesting innovation competition from around the globe so that we can bring it to you, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share with your loved ones and relatives or friends. Thank you very much.